In this video, we're going to learn about the JackBord top. The idea of the top is that it makes it much easier to learn about electronics. And when you have a basic knowledge of electronics, you can do so much more with coding. For more information to go with this video, go to jb.works and at the search prompt type in the TMT code shown on your screen. As you're going to learn later on, electronics is all about connecting components, so resistors, which are these ones here, capacitors, integrated circuits, switches, diodes, transistors. All of these different parts that go to make up a piece of electronics need to be connected. But before you learn all about that, you need to know how circuits work, and that's where the top comes in. So over here we've got resistors, and then we've got capacitors, which are electronic components. You've got three transistors, an LED, a light-dependent resistor, a diode, some more LEDs over this side. And then these two here are variable resistors, and these two down here are buttons. And all of those are basic electronic components that you use to make electronic circuits. Now that we've got all of these parts, you need a way of connecting them together. So you'll notice that there are lots of pins all over the place on the top. And to use these pins, we need things called jumper wires, which are these guys here. And they have female ends at both ends. And so, for example, to connect this 3-volt pin to that resistor, you plug in this end of the jumper wire over here, and then you plug the other end into the resistor. And then you've got an electrical connection going on between these two pins. And then likewise, if I wanted to connect to the other side of the resistor over to an LED, I would plug another jumper in and plug that jumper into the LED that I wanted. And then finally, you would plug the ground of the LED and you would plug that back into the ground pin down here. So basically, the top is a circuit board that contains lots of electronic parts, and you use jumper wires to connect them up to make different circuits. In the next video, we're going to learn how to attach the top to the JackBord and connect the power.